Are your glasses full of tiny scratches? Before you spend money on new lenses, let me show you a few simple tricks you can try at home. Scratches on glasses are super annoying. They can blur your vision and make your lenses look old. They can even cause eye strain. But here's the truth, not all scratches can be fixed. And some DIY methods can actually make things worse. Let's look at the safe way to do it. First, a warning. If your lenses have special coatings like anti-reflective layers, DIY fixes might strip them off. Start by cleaning your lenses thoroughly with mild soap. You need a clean surface to work with. Our first method uses a common household item, baking soda. This is great for very light scratches. Mix 2 parts baking soda with 1 part water until it forms a thick, consistent paste. Apply a small amount of the paste directly to the scratched area using a soft cotton ball. Gently rub in a circular motion for about 10 seconds. Don't press too hard. Let the paste do the work. Rinse the lenses under lukewarm water to remove all traces of the baking soda mixture. Dry them carefully with a clean microfiber cloth. Never use paper towels. They can cause more scratches. Hold them up to the light. If the scratch is still there, you might need a second pass or a different method. Another popular method involves toothpaste, but it must be non-abrasive and non-gel. Apply a tiny dab of toothpaste. Avoid anything with whitening beads or heavy grit. Just like the baking soda, buff in a circular motion. This acts as a very fine polishing agent. Rinse well and dry, you should see a noticeable improvement on those surface level marks. Now, let's talk about what not to do. Avoid using vinegar or harsh window cleaners on your lenses. These chemicals are too acidic or abrasive and can permanently damage the lens material itself. And remember, no tissues, no paper towels, and no shirt sleeves. They are all too rough. If DIY isn't working, consider a professional scratch repair kit designed specifically for eyewear. These often contain fillers that can hide deeper scratches more effectively than home remedies. But if you can feel the scratch with your fingernail, it's likely too deep to fix at home. In those cases, it's time to visit your optician. Trying to buff out a deep crack could weaken the lens. So, clean first, use a soft cloth, and always buff gently in circles for the best results. I hope this helps you see clearly again. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. Ever notice those annoying little scratches on your glasses? They don't just look bad, they can actually strain your eyes and blur your vision. But don't toss them yet. Here are 2 simple ways to fix them at home. Let's start with the most popular method, baking soda. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with a little water until it forms a thick paste. Now gently rub it on your lenses using a clean microfiber cloth. Use soft circular motions for about 10 to 20 seconds. Then rinse with cool water and dry them very carefully. Another quick trick is using a tiny drop of baby oil. Gently rub it over the surface until it's evenly coated. This doesn't remove the scratches, but it fills and hides fine lines. And there you have it, 2 ways to give your glasses a second life. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Is a pesky scratch on your glasses ruining your view? Today, I'll show you how to safely handle minor lens damage. Scratches are inevitable, but before you rush to buy new ones, there are a few home remedies worth trying. First, we need to assess the damage. Not every scratch can, or should, be fixed at home. The material matters. Glass lenses are tough, but plastic lenses are much more common and sensitive. Before we start, always clean your lenses thoroughly with a dedicated lens spray and a clean cloth. For minor scuffs, we'll use a simple paste made of baking soda and water. It's effective and gentle. Mix 2 parts baking soda with 1 part water until you get a thick, creamy consistency. Apply the paste gently. Use a clean cotton ball and rub in small, circular motions for about 10 seconds. Now, rinse them under lukewarm water to remove all traces of the paste. Dry them off with a fresh microfiber cloth. Look at the lens again. Is the scratch still there? If the scratch is still visible, you can repeat the process 1 more time. Just be patient. And remember, always use a clean cloth. A dirty one can actually introduce new debris and more damage. If baking soda doesn't work, there are specific lens wax products designed to fill in minor surface gaps. These don't remove the scratch, but they can significantly improve your clarity of vision. Now listen carefully. This part is very important. There are some things you should never do. Never use toothpaste. It's too abrasive and can damage your lenses permanently. Many people suggest it, but the tiny particles in toothpaste act like sandpaper on your lenses. Don't use paper towels or tissues. They cause even more micro scratches over time. Paper products are made of wood fibers that are surprisingly rough at a microscopic level. Be careful with coated lenses. If your glasses have anti-reflective or UV coating, These DIY methods can remove that coating completely, leaving your glasses looking patchy. And if you can feel the scratch with your fingernail, it's too deep to fix at home. In those cases, it's best to take them to a professional optician for assessment or replacement. Prevention is the best cure. Always store your glasses in a hard case when you're not wearing them. Stick to microfiber and specialized cleaners, and your lenses will stay clear for much longer. Thanks for watching. Keep your vision clear and stay safe out there. Are those annoying scratches on your glasses making everything look blurry? Don't worry, I'll show you how to save them in under a minute. The secret is non-gel white toothpaste. Rub a tiny amount into the scratch for 30 seconds, then rinse with cool water. Now that they're clean, let's make sure they stay that way. Want to avoid scratches in the future? Always store your glasses in a case, use only microfiber cloths, and clean with dedicated lens cleaner or mild soap. Never use household glass sprays. If scratches are affecting your vision, the safest option is to visit an optician. Sometimes professional care is better than DIY. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more simple life hacks. See you next time.